Welcome to Service Book. In this tutorial, we will show you how Service Book can help to manage the service of your vehicle seamlessly. Within the Service Book app, by selecting the Vehicles tab, you can view all of your vehicle's service history, such as the next service date, the to-do list, and service history. Making a booking for your vehicle is as simple as clicking the orange diary icon towards the bottom right here, selecting the time and date, entering any notes required to the mechanics. You can even attach photos like so. Then submit the booking and simply wait for the confirmation from the workshop. What's more, all of this information is automatically synced to Service Book for you from your workshop every time they do a job on the vehicle. As the workshop works on the vehicle, you will receive constant updates and communications from the workshop regarding the progress of the job. What you are seeing now is as images are uploaded to the job or lines are checked off the check sheet, your Service Book app will update within roughly 5 minutes of the change being made by the workshop. The Service Book app keeps track of your vehicle services and will automatically send you a reminder when your vehicle is ready for collection. The Workshop tab at the bottom of the app here will show you your service center contact information, and you can click the directions icon here to open your map and be brought to the workshop. Please let us know what you think about our Service Book app. We are open to suggestions and always looking for ways to improve the application.